In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to left align a button and hide YouTube video controls inside Articulate Rise 360. Let's get started. Once your course is built in Rise 360, it's important to preview it to ensure everything looks just right. If you notice that a button is aligned to the right side, and you'd prefer it on the left, here's what to do. Click on the Edit button for the block that contains the button. In the Editing panel, scroll to the Format section. Look for the button alignment option. By default, it may be set to right. Change it to left. And just like that, the button moves to the left side, and your content automatically shifts to the right. Now, let's embed a YouTube video and remove the default playback controls. First, copy the YouTube URL of the video you'd like to embed. In Rise 360, click the Block Library button. Go to the Multimedia section and select Embed Video. Click Edit Content, then click Change. Paste the YouTube embed code or URL and press Enter. Your video is now embedded, but by default, it includes player controls. To hide those controls, follow these steps. Go back to YouTube and click the Share button under your video. Choose the Embed option. In the Embed window, scroll down and uncheck Show Player Controls. Now copy the updated embed code. Head back to Rise 360, open the Edit Content section again and click Change. Paste the new embed code and press Enter. Your video will now appear without any playback controls, clean and distraction-free. And that's it. You've now mastered how to left align buttons and hide YouTube video controls in Articulate Rise 360. Thanks for watching, and happy course creating with Articulate Rise 360.